Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on health reminders on the FitPro application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. After that, you should click on the activity and wellness section. Tap on the last button, health reminder. The first option is sedentary, that you can turn on by tapping on this button in the right side, then click on the save button, and then it will send you reminders to move a little bit after sitting long hours. Then tap on the drink water button, again this button and the save button in the upper right corner, so that you are going to get reminders to drink water, so that you can keep track of your daily beverage intake goals. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.